Sorry, nothing. Next up is we've got a Central Georgia 5-chime. Ernie, I think that's your whistle, isn't it? We'll take a volunteer from the audience for the whistle on the end. It might be an 03 chime, so one of these nice little ladies right here wants to go. What about the gong whistle? So these whistles were commonly used as shop whistles for shift changes or emergencies or lunchtime, whatever else. So our mosquito problem is now taken care of. Let's see, what else we haven't heard yet? Here, Jameson, why don't you hit the Hudson whistle? So the whistle on the end that's letting off all the steam, it weighs about 85, 90 pounds, and Jameson made me bring it. So it's leaking like a salve. But this came off a Chesapeake and Ohio passenger engine that would have frequently been used between, I guess, basically Charleston, West Virginia, and Cincinnati. Would have been shopped in Russell and Huntington. There you go, Jameson. You'll haul it home for me. All right, we'll swap the chords here and blow a couple of the different ones. And everybody's welcome to join in.